Welcome to Nano Tales, where even the smallest story can shake an entire kingdom. In the village of Abeokuta lived Aduni, a master healer whose touch could cure any illness. But when Chief Bankole arrived at her door, dying from a mysterious poison, her world stopped. This was the man she believed had killed her father and stolen their land. The village elders begged her to save him. He was the only one who knew where the emergency grain stores were hidden before the coming famine. As Aduni's hands trembled over his dying body, Mama Zola rushed in with shocking news. Bankole wasn't her father's killer. He had been framed by Kaido the trickster, who had been living among them for years. With tears streaming down her face, Aduni placed her healing hands on her enemy. As Bankole's strength returned, he whispered the truth about that terrible night, exposing Kaido's lies that had poisoned the village with hatred. Sometimes mercy toward our enemies reveals the lies that created our pain. The greatest healing comes when we choose love over revenge.